Welcome, and thanks for joining me for this quick 10-minute strength training workout. Using light weights today, I'm just using 3 pounds. We have high repetition in a slow amount of time. We've got 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. So just 10 moves, 10 minutes, again, higher rep, lighter weight. Started with a quick warm up just to make sure those muscles are warm. Give me a big arm circle here to the back. This is also a great workout to add on to any of my other cardio workouts. You just want some arm toning and some strength building. As big as you can. And let's reverse that circle all the way up and around. Keep a soft bend in your knees. For 3, 2, and 1. Step reach here. So we'll be working the arms, the shoulders, and the back in this workout. Really stretch with that reach. Feeling it in the back of the shoulders and the upper back. Keep a little step touch and let's reach the arms up. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Plant those feet. Give me a big inhale. Arms come up. As we exhale, circle the wrists down. Again, big inhale, arms up. Circle the wrists. Inhale. This time circle the wrists the opposite direction. And last one. Exhale, circle. Okay, and last move, we open, crisscross, open, crisscross. So squeeze the back, opening up the chest. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Okay, I'm gonna grab my weights. Our first move, as the arms come up, nice and round, we flip the palms and we press the weights down. Grab your weights, feet underneath those hips, and let's start our timer. Arms come up, round, flip, nice and slow, press the palms down. Up, flip, palms up, and palms down. Go at your own pace in this workout. If you have lighter weights, you may do more reps, or you can use heavier weights and do less reps if you wanted a little bit more muscle building. The lighter weights, it's more about toning. And flip. Good, slow and control. And shake it out. Next move is a bicep circle. We're going to keep the arms parallel to each other so they're never going to touch or cross. And we circle around and then simply reverse it for the 45 seconds. Circle around and other direction. So my elbows are staying in the same place, like they're touching the sides of my body. Using that bicep, all different sides of it. Circling around. And if you guys want to work through that 15-second break, feel free to do that too. I always like to say making the workouts your own. Let's get one more in. Excellent. Okay, next we're going to do an upright row, so the elbows are coming out to the side, weights are coming up to the chest, but what we're going to do is make a big circle with it. So we're going to go up and around, out and down. Join me. So I like to imagine that we have a big beach ball, right? We're going up and around over that beach ball. Don't round the back. Stand up nice and straight. And keep the shoulders pressed down. Think of a nice long, tall neck. Ooh, feel it in those shoulders, I know. Up and around, pull, and down. So keep that circle, that roundedness, both up and on the way down. All right, next we have a slight hinge forward. I like to call this the Scarecrow. Flat back, stick the hips out, and then we're going to bend the elbows up with a tricep squeeze and then lower. So we lift, extend side, and lower. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Again, nice long neck. Press the shoulders down and back. If you're tiring out, kind of quickly on this one, single it out. So just do one arm at a time. Pull the elbows back. Straighten as much as you can. Lower back down. Breathe and press the shoulders down. Core is engaged. That tummy is pulled in. Shake it out. All right, next those weights are coming overhead. Both at the same time. We drop one just to shoulder height at a time. Here we go. Reach up tall. Drop one and lift. One and lift. If you're not comfortable with the weights above your head, then I want you to start with the hands down at your sides and then just lift up to shoulder height. Still working the shoulders. So think about reaching long, both high and forward. Are you breathing? Is your core engaged? Get a little ab workout here too. And relax. Halfway there, guys. Next, we're going back to the biceps. We're simply going to do a bicep curl. We switch at top and bring it nice and slow back down. So switching the direction each time. Lift up, curl down, palms up, palms down, and flip again. So again, we're just flipping that weight every time we're at the top. Don't overthink it. Good job, guys. Stay with me. And this workout is just 10 minutes. But if you really want to get some strength gains faster and you want a longer workout, do a second round, maybe even a third round. Just rewind, back it up and do it all again. Excellent. All right, getting into the triceps, a little more shoulders. We're gonna do halos, one arm at a time, simply wrapping the head and bringing the weight back down. Alternating arms. Wrap, release, up and around. Gotta check that stance. Small bend in your knees. Core is engaged, shoulders down and back. And we're breathing. 10 more seconds. Beautiful work. Next we have a double front raise, hammer curl. So that just means the palms are facing in, or hammer hold. We lift up, chest level, pull one elbow back, pull the next elbow back, release back down. Lift both. We pull and we pull. And let's try to remember to start with the other side, right? So we're going to alternate which arm pulls back first. pull back, pull back. Anytime those weights come in front of us or above our head, really engages that core too. So use it to your advantage. It'll help you. And release. Shake it out. Wiggle it out. Next, we're going out to the side. It's a little side raise. We crisscross out to the side, lower down. Alternating sides again. We'll try to remember. Different arm on top each time. So lift, right on top, open, lift, left on top. When you're crisscrossing, I really want you to think about squeezing those chest muscles. So we're using our body's own resistance as well. I hope you're feeling some heat now in the shoulders, in the chest, in the back. So good, almost there. Then we just have one more. And relax. All right, last one, great one for the back again, and the triceps, so the whole back half of our upper body. Palms are facing out behind us, and we're gonna lift up just the lower corners, lift down, then we lift up and down. So we're gonna go out, in, then bend the elbows up and down. The goal here is to try to keep those weights behind your hips. Out, lift up. Elbows aren't going very far, just a little bend. You're really going to feel that in the back. Breathe. Elbows straight, bend and straight. Out, in. Almost there, guys. Stay with me. And release. You did it. Put those weights down. Shake it out. I'm going to leave you with a few stretches here. Circle those wrists. Releasing any tension there. And reverse. Got left hand on the hip, right arm, big arm circle again. Nice and slow, as big as you can make it. Up and back. Other arm. Good, let's take that right arm out to the side. Gently pull it back behind us, feeling a beautiful stretch in the chest and the front of the shoulder. Then we're going to bring it in, hug it nice and close, either above or below, not pulling on the elbow joint. Push that shoulder down. While we're here, let's take our ear towards our shoulder. Hold it here, a couple deep breaths. And relax it down. Other arm out to the side. Gently pull it back behind you. And close it in front. Relax the shoulder down. And let's take our right ear towards the right shoulder. Pick up the head. Release that. Stretch the arms towards me. Palms towards me, fingers towards the floor. Straighten those elbows. Let's take it out to the side. Again, open up that chest. Keep the elbows straight. Continue all the way down. If you can, clasp those hands behind you and again, open up that chest. Trying to straighten your elbows if you can. Inhale. Exhale. And then bring the hands in front. Again, lace them together. If you can, push them towards me. Little bend in the knees. And then go ahead and round that back. Inhale. Exhale. Let's reach it all the way up. Pushing high towards the ceiling. Release the hands and then bring the fingertips towards the opposite shoulder behind you. Opening up the chest, opening up those elbows, feeling a stretch in the back of the arms and those triceps. Hold here, and maybe a little lean to the side if that feels good to you. Back to center, and other side. Back to center, release it down. I'll leave you with a big inhale, and exhale. Give yourself a hand. Job well done. Thanks for joining me. Let me know how you liked the workout. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.